What if your boss gave you a list of date or any data and told you to pick the date and month separately? Don't add each item step by step. Let me show you a magic of Excel. So first of all, type the exact item you want to pick from the first column. Here I am going to pick month. Make sure the text should be exactly same. Then move to next row. Type Ctrl and E key on your keyboard. You will see a absolute magic of Excel. Hours of work in just a few seconds. You can simply do the same thing for date as well. Wait. What if he needs the month in full form like January not Jan? There is a trick. Select the first column dates and format it, so that it has the full month format. Now apply the same method Ctrl+E. I hope you liked the video. For similar videos, don't forget to subscribe.